The LIC IPO's launch date has been announced, and it will be an opportunity for Life Insurance Corporation of India's policyholders and employees and investors to try their luck. The government has also filed papers with SEBI seeking exemption from the 5% stake sale norm. According to the Securities and Exchange Board of India norms, companies with a valuation over 1 lakh crore rupees have to sell a 5% stake in an IPO. LIC's embedded value, which is a measure of the consolidated shareholders' value in an insurance company, was pegged at about 5.4 lakh crore rupees as of September 30, 2021, by international actuarial firm Millman Advisors. Based on investor feedback, the market value of government-owned LIC has been pegged at 1.1 times its embedded value, or 6 lakh crore rupees. The government had in February planned to sell 5% stake or 31.6 crore shares in the insurance behemoth and had filed draft papers with SEBI. However, last week, the government decided to lower the issue size to 3.5%. The LIC IPO would contribute a major chunk to the budgeted disinvestment proceeds in the current fiscal. The government has pegged disinvestment receipts at 65,000 crore in the current financial year, up from 13,531 crore mopped up last fiscal. Normal investor quota. Normal investors can apply in the qualified institutional buyers (QIB) segment and the retail portion. The portion of the net offer, including the anchor investor portion, will not be more than 50% of the net offer. Portion of the net offer cannot be less than 35% of the net offer. LIC policyholder quota. Policyholders who have one or more LIC policies would be eligible to apply in the IPO under the policyholder reservation portion. However, the LIC policyholder must ensure that his or her permanent account number PAN details are updated in the policy records of the corporation at the earliest. Eligible policyholders will be able to apply for the policyholder reservation portion at the cut-off price. The maximum bid amount under the policyholder reservation portion by an eligible policyholder must not exceed 2 lakh rupees. The aggregate of reservations for eligible policyholders must not exceed 10% of the offer size. LIC employees quota. Eligible employees can apply for the employee reservation portion at a discounted price. The maximum bidding amount under the employee reservation portion for an eligible employee must not exceed 2 lakh rupees. The reservation for eligible employees cannot exceed 5% of the total offer. Shares of LIC are trading at a premium of 20 rupees in grey market today. So, LIC IPO GMP today is 20 rupees. That means grey market is expecting LIC IPO listing at around 969 rupees, 949 rupees plus 20 rupees, around 5% higher from its issue price. LIC IPO further details. The government plans to sell a 3.5% stake instead of the 5% that was listed in the previous draft red herring prospectus, DRHP, sources had told ANI. The government earlier wanted to sell 31.6 crore shares. The company's embedded value, or measure of consolidated shareholders' value in an insurance firm, was estimated at 5.4 lakh crore rupees in September. The evaluation was done by international actuarial firm Millman Advisors. That value has been updated based on investor feedback. The market value has been pegged at 1.1 times its embedded value, or 6 lakh crore rupees. The LIC IPO is expected to provide a major contribution to disinvestment proceeds this fiscal. The government had pegged receipts at 65,000 crore, up from 13,531 crore in the last fiscal. How to apply LIC IPO online. Investors need to log into your online net banking account. Subsequently, investors need to go to the investments section and click on the IPO/eIPO option. Then investors will be required to fill depository details and bank account details. Once these details are entered, the verification process will be completed. After the verification process, investors need to go to Invest in IPO. Investors need to select the IPO for which they would like to apply. Investors then need to enter the number of shares and the bid price. Investors must carefully read the terms and conditions document before placing any bid. Investors can then confirm and place their order by clicking on Apply Now. How to check share allotment, step-by-step guide. To check whether you have been allotted shares or not, you will have to follow the below mentioned steps. Step 1. Go to https://www.paseindia.com/investors/apply_check.asks. Step 2. Select the issue type. Step 3. Enter issue name, application number, and details. Step 4. Click on search. All the best for who are participating the IPO. Thanks for watching Indian Stock Hunter. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more valuable contents.